Sunday, November 12th, 2023. 32nd Sunday on Ordinary Time, Altar Servers Day. Focus. Watch therefore, for you know neither the day nor the hour. A parable is a brief fictional story to make an important point or illustrate a great moral truth. Its familiar everyday setting means the target audience can easily identify with it. And its earthly practical dimension makes it transcend even time and space. To say that Jesus favored the use of parables as an effective means of instruction would be an understatement. The four Gospel accounts contain no less than 25 parables that Jesus narrated over a 3-year ministry, each one weighing with the other in originality, topicality, and unforgettable applicability to context. St. Matthew at 13 verse 34-35 highlights Jesus' preference for parables to reveal to the people what has been hidden since the foundation of the world. The parable of the 10 maidens emphasizes the need for alertness. This day and age, Jesus' advice to his followers would translate to an ever-present spiritual readiness, a commitment to see our present life fully in the light of its goal, which is a communion of love with Him, and so with God the Father, to emulate the lackadaisical attitude of the foolish maidens would be to our eternal determinant. Like the wise maidens of the parable, we need to choose wisely. Fruit. I will learn the simple lessons of Jesus' parables and follow them to be watchful always.